Manhattan Beach real estate started 2025 with a bang. Over $271 million worth of homes closed escrow in just the first 8 weeks of the year.
That is a big number.
That's almost triple the 88 million from January through February in 2024 and 4 times the 67 million from January through February in 2023. But wait, are things maybe shifting?
Things will shift quickly.
Let's talk about it right now.
So, what happened?
What happened?
Well, a big chunk of those early sales came from buyers who lost their homes in the LA wildfires. Now, that the initial rush has been fading, overall demand still is strong because inventory is tight. As of today, there's only 72 active listings in Manhattan Beach, and many of them aren't exactly what, say, a family might want. The good news,
Finally, some good news tonight.
is currently we're seeing more homes coming on the market as we head into spring. I mean, if you're currently or possibly a future home seller, listen up. The market is still moving, but pricing over the market is a mistake right now. If your home is sitting for weeks, buyers will assume, something is wrong with it. And guess what? You'll probably have to lower your price anyway. Well-priced homes, on the other hand, are getting offers quickly. But if you're going to push those limits, buyers are waiting for you to drop your price.
We'll wait.
The takeaway? Price your home correctly from day one. You'll have a better shot at multiple offers and or getting your price possibly over it. Speaking of buyers, 2 weeks ago, mortgage rates dropped to their lowest level of the year. Yay! Until last week. Great. Now, back up to the high sixes. And that's put a lot of buyers on pause, waiting for rates to drop more. And let's be real, kids. Uncertainty with this new administration isn't helping. With the stock market tumbling currently, some sellers and buyers are sitting on the sideline, waiting to see how the economy shakes out. But here's the thing. Nobody can time the market.
Is timing everything?
You can't time it perfectly. If you find the right home and you can afford it, now is always a good time to buy. Actually, 10 years ago was a good time to buy. And what if you did? Would you be thanking your 10 years ago self for doing it then? Would you have equity in your house? Yes, and yes. Well, whenever now is your 10 years from now self going to thank you? Yes, it's time in the market. It's not timing the market that makes you wealthy over time. So where's the market going? Will record sales continue, or are we heading for a shift over the next few months as more spring inventory hits the market into summer? We'll see what happens. Me? What do I think? If the market's going to shift, it's going to shift up. It's not going to shift down. We have too little inventory and still too much demand for that to happen. What do you think? Are we in for another crazy year, or do you think the market's going to be cooling down? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, send it to someone who might be interested. And if you need more details, just ask me in the comments or just reply back. And if you like this video, you should watch that one next.